In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Microsoft Teams messages with Zapier. Are you manually sending updates to your team in Microsoft Teams every time something happens in your business? What if your apps could automatically post messages in your channels for new leads, sales, bookings, or form submissions without you typing anything? I'll walk you through the exact steps to set this up, even if you're brand new. Let's get started. Zapier is an online automation tool that lets your apps talk to each other. You can connect Microsoft Teams with tools like Google Sheets, Shopify, Stripe, Calendly, and many more. In Zapier, automations are called zaps, and every zap has two parts: a trigger and one or more actions. A trigger is the event that starts the automation, the answer to "when should this run?" Examples include a new form submission, a sale, an email, a calendar booking, or a new spreadsheet row. As soon as that happens, the zap begins. An action is what happens next, the answer to what should occur after the trigger. With Microsoft Teams, actions include sending a channel message, creating a chat message, making a channel, or even creating a meeting. This lets your team get notified in Teams the moment something important occurs elsewhere. Let's build a simple zap that posts to a Teams channel when a form is submitted. Log in to Zapier, click Create, and choose Zap to open the builder. First, pick your trigger app, your form tool like Google Forms or Typeform. Then choose the event called New Form Submission and click Continue. Connect your account for that app, approve access, and click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent sample so you can design the message using real fields. Now add an action. Search for Microsoft Teams, select it, choose Send Channel Message, and click Continue. Connect your Microsoft account, approve permissions, and make sure Zapier can access the correct team and channel. Customize the message. Select the team and channel, then write the text you want posted. Insert dynamic data from the trigger, like name, email, or message content, so each notification is personalized and useful. Click Test to send a real message to the selected channel, then check Teams to confirm it looks right. If everything checks out, publish the zap and turn it on. From now on, whenever the trigger happens, Teams will post the update automatically. You can use this same approach to announce new Shopify orders, Stripe payments, Calendly bookings, or new rows in Google Sheets. Create internal alerts and daily summaries. Trigger instant notifications for support tickets, all without manual work. Set it up once, turn it on, and keep your team aligned with automatic Microsoft Teams updates.